Okay, so let's get started with binary relations. We've actually been working with one for a long time. A binary relation is any relationship between two objects. So the word binary means two, and a relation represents there being a relationship between the two things. So just for the definition, a binary relation is a subset of a cross product of two sets. Just when you thought set theory was over. So I could say that R is a binary relation. It's a subset of A cross B. So the things in R should be points from A cross B. It's not necessarily all of them, although it could be. It also could be the empty set. A relation can be empty. So some things that are like relations could be A has more money than B. Okay, so we'll just talk about me and my sister and brother. Okay? So Tiffany Andy is in the set. And Tiffany Crystal is in the set. That's it.
Wouldn't Andy Crystal or Crystal Andy be in the set?
I think they have about the same.
Okay.
So that wouldn't be in the set. Okay, so since Tiffany Andy's in the set, Andy Tiffany can't be in this set because this one says Tiffany has more money than Andy. I've had longer to make it, that's all. And then same thing with this. So Crystal Tiffany can't be in the set because Tiffany Crystal's in the set. This is an example of an asymmetric set. It's asymmetric because I can't just take one of the points and flop the values and still have it be in the set. So I can't put Andy Tiffany in here and I can't put Crystal Tiffany in here. Okay, we're going to talk about different properties of sets. This is an example of one. This is also an example of one that's irreflexive. So reflexive would be if Tiffany Tiffany was in there and Andy Andy was in there and Crystal Crystal was in there. But I can't have more money than myself. So this is also irreflexive. But we're going to talk about these definitions. This is transitive. So you know what transitive is because we've been working with it for all semester. We just haven't been saying what the name of it is. Hypothetical syllogism is the property of being transitive, is using the property of being transitive. So when we had P implies Q and Q implies S, then we got P implies S. That's because implication is transitive. So if I have A less than B and B less than C, A is less than C because less than is transitive. So this is transitive because it's like more than, which is just like greater than, and that's transitive. So if person A has more money than person B and B has more money than C, then A has more money than C. So it is transitive.